Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 tutorial in C programming. Today we will covering some history, features and basic structure of the C programming. In this tutorial I will not cover more on the history because this thing you can read from book or internet also. For that I will give you details a link below in the description box. So let's see some history of the programming language evolution. Before the invention of C, there are many languages which exist like Fortran, Algol, CPL, BCPL and B language. Fortran was the language which was developed by John Backus in 1955, which was mainly used for scientific and mathematical purpose. And in 1960, Algol 60 came, that is Algorithmic 60, which was the alternative for the Fortran language, which provides the concept of structural programming. Then in 1963, CPL, that is Combined Programming Language, came, and by extending some features of CPL, BCPL, that is Basic Combined Programming Language, came, which is used for writing system software. If you want to read more on the history of the programming language, then follow the link given below in the description box. So in 1972, C language was invented by Dennis Ritchie at AT&T Laboratory. So after its invention, many new versions and its new standardization came. Like in 1989, it was approved by NCI, and later it was called as C89 or NCIC. Then after 1990, ISO approved it and it was named as C90, and the latest release is in 2011, that is C11. It is said that C is a language designed by and for the programmer. After the invention of C language, many new modern languages came like C++, Java and much more, which derive many features from C language. So let's see some of the languages which came after the invention of C. In 1980, C++ was developed by Janes Rustrop. Previously, it was named as C with classes, and in 1995, Java was developed by James Gosling. Both C++ and Java follows the concept of OOPS, but the main difference between C++ and Java is that Java is purely object-oriented programming language, while C++ is not a purely object-oriented programming language. So, what is C? C is a procedural-oriented programming language, which is mainly used for system programming, like operating system, compiler development, and many things. It includes the low-level access to the memory. So let's see some of the interesting features of C language. You can go through book and you will find more features, but here I am going to cover some important features of the C language. So when we talk about the speed of C, it is said that no one can beat C when it's come to its performance. C have a good collection of built-in library also, like for file handling, for string manipulation and many more. And many new modern languages like C, Java, PHP, JavaScript and much more have borrowed the syntax from C language. So after learning C language, you will find easy to learn languages like C++ and Java. So let's see the basic structure of C language. This is the program which prints hello world as the output. This is the very basic program which you will find in every textbook. Don't worry about all the statements above. I will explain all this in great detail in the next lecture.